Well, we have to do it, so.
Okay, so, hello.
Sup with it?
We wanted to jump in and explain a little bit as to what's going on in this episode. We haven't really talked about the fact that being out here is 1000% out of my comfort zone.
Completely.
And we knew that coming in.
Hardly mine at this point.
So, this may come as a shock to people because I am on a farm, but really, like, certain animals really freak me out, and birds is one of the animals that freak me out.
Feathered creatures.
Like, I can do like I'm excited to get pigs because, you know, it's almost like a dog, you know, like the body style is like,
Never heard it explained that way.
It's like, what, I'm not even going to try to explain
there's
my
4 legs and there's a torso.
Phobia. So like bird feet and feathers, and it's just a little freaky to me. So in this episode, we're moving the birds at a weird angle, and this was my first time, Luca.
Don't eat that seed, bro.
He's eating orange seeds.
Spit that seed out.
This was my first time to really have to deal with injured birds, because when we got into the schooner, some of the birds were injured, and then there were birds injured along the way, and that is a whole nother level of fear of mine. Like,
obviously, we're not abusing these chickens, but sometimes
it's just part of farm life.
It is, but more than that, these birds grow so quickly that they tend to have joints, like their legs have issues and things like that. So sometimes that's the injury. Oftentimes that's the injury, is they have a leg or a foot that's injured. The other times we accidentally injure them because their feet can get caught underneath the schooner as we're dragging it, and then we have to like lift it up and lift the schooner up and get its leg out, or it pulls itself out, and in that process it hurts it becomes injured.
So normally that doesn't happen, but we were having to move the schooners at a different angle, at a weird angle. Obviously this is not the best look for me. I look crazy, but we really want to be shut up. We really want to be honest and transparent with you guys about our whole entire journey, and that is just part of the journey. I am working through some stuff. Yes. To top it off, like I said, I have this thing with injured bird. It gives me like the heat. I really had to overcome a lot.
Whenever there's an injured bird in there, these chickens cannibalize.
It's so
they
gross.
Eat on them while they're alive. And then if one does die and we don't catch it, say it died last night and it had the whole night of just laying in there dead, they'll eat it.
Yeah, we'll let you watch the drama, and we just wanted to hop on and clarify what the heck is going on and why this chicken farmer is acting like
she's never been around chickens before.
Because I haven't. Okay, have fun.
Peace.
Good morning, friends. Today is the day we start the return of the schooners back towards our house. So we're just pulling them this way. We have been pulling them that way. Okay, so now we're coming the opposite direction. I'm gonna need my wife's help, so I've enlisted her to help me move these guys because it's a little harder to move them at an angle. So this is what we have going on this morning. And look, perfect timing. Go park in the shade. Park in the shade? You're parking where I'm gonna be moving. That's exactly where I'm gonna drive the tractor. Just pull right over here. Try not to hit the hoses. Oh, hopefully no damage. Pull right in there, next to the doggies. Okay, we got both rigs, got the tractor over there. I'm gonna get hooked up. Let's do this thing. We have to turn it, which is really hard to do without killing them or injuring them. We have to get them in here. We have to get them right here on this green grass. Okay, that one, this one, we're moving over here. Okay? We're gonna move them this way.
So you're pulling it this way to get onto here.
So yeah, we're gonna use this path here so that we maximize the fertilizer that we're putting down in the soil regeneration on this pasture. And then the next batch we're doing on the other side of that red
we'll
barn.
talk about that another time. It's too early for this.
We could technically go up on that side, but there's trees up there. I don't want to get too close to that wood line. So let me bring the tractor around. Which one do you want to do first?
Whatever, it doesn't matter. Probably this one.
This one?
Yeah, because we're moving it.
Yeah, I think so.
I am not looking forward to this. I'm too tired. Okay, so you're coming. So I need to keep them out of this corner and this corner.
Just watch, you'll see whichever ones they're about to get crossed.
Babe, wait. This one can't get up. Evan.
That's good?
I don't know.
Maybe it was already hurt.
Yeah, because he was just an animal. He wouldn't move.
Easy on him because no pressure because they're hot.
I'm trying.
I know.
One stuck. I don't like this.
Well, we have to do it, so he's bad. There's no getting that out.
What?
Yeah, he's dead. You gotta watch him good.
Babe, how do I keep all of them?
Go keep him calm.
What?
Go make sure he doesn't flap around. That's gonna break his leg. I'm going around to lift it.
Keep them calm. What? So I have to hold them?
Yeah.
What?
Just, babe, just console him so he doesn't flap and break his leg.
So what do I do? What do you do?
Make sure he doesn't flap. Hold him.
Oh my God.
Or he's gonna die.
Okay.
Got him?
Yeah.
Oh, he's broken. He's gonna die. Hey, we gotta really watch them. We can't afford to lose chickens like this. We're gonna hook up at a different angle to get it straight.
Can we not go backwards now? To straighten it out?
Yeah, I can hook up from the back and try that.
It seems like that would be easier.
Try it. Something like this. This thing's all bendy.
Wait.
Oh, they're all getting out. There's 5 out right there.
All right. I think that's good.
We got like 10 birds out. Help me. Don't let it get to you. This is the worst couple. This is the worst move that we gotta do.
Hurt. I don't know how.
Oh, they're getting out. There's tons of them out.
Okay, wait.
We can't wait too long. They're escaping.
Well, this one can't move.
They just keep coming out, babe. There's like 6 out.
All right.
Okay.
Wait.
Yeah, we'll go from the back now.
Another one. They're hurting each other, being piled up, I think. This one did not. I'm not seeing any get crushed, and another one is limping.
Yeah. That's what happens. That's what happens to these birds. They're very, very fragile when they get all excited. Is those 2 hurt? No. Just make sure they don't. Keep pushing them this way. Push them towards me. Ah, they both got away! Don't be scared of them, they're just chickens. Just stand here then, and don't let them out. Well, I get them back. Well, that should be some good footage. Bronte, you did great. I know it's frustrating, but I love you. You did awesome.